Hey friends, it's Amanda. Today I'm sharing my updated makeup routine for the spring. I'm going to share everything I do to achieve a natural and glowy face look. Because I have such fair skin and I also live in Florida, I always use a sunscreen before I do the rest of my makeup. I love this one from Supergoop. It's their matte screen. The sunscreen has SPF 40, so it's really great for sunny days. I like using this Kosas concealer underneath my eyes as my next step before I move on to foundation. This is a really great creamy formula. I use it in the lightest shade called 0.5N. For foundation, I'm obsessed with this one from Beautycounter. It's really hydrating and also gives me a great medium coverage with a nice satin finish. For this foundation, I use the shade Fair 110. It's their Beautycounter Skin Twin Featherweight foundation. It's also a great match for my skin tone. It's really hard to find light enough foundation colors, and this one looks flawless. Moving on to my eyebrows, I use this really inexpensive little eyebrow pen and spoolie from e.l.f. I use their color Auburn to go with my red hair, and I'll just draw in my eyebrows with the little pen part and then fluff them up with the spoolie. Recently in my Amazon favorites video, I talked about a few products from this clean beauty brand called Ilia. This is their bronzer. I've been using it on an everyday basis. It's so pretty, very pigmented. I have it in the color Drawn In. Their Nightlight bronzing powder looks really great all over the face to give me the glow that I want. For blush, I love a good cream blush. This one's from Merit. They sent this over to me a couple of months ago and I've been obsessed with using it for a nice natural flushed look. I use the color Cheeky and it's also really pigmented. Before I use eyeshadow, I always make sure to prime my eyelids with this Too Faced little 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow, I'm using this palette from Tarte that I got as a gift from one of my best friends, Jessica. It's their Busy Gal Goals Eye and Cheek palette. The colors inside are so perfect for what I like to do on a regular basis. I like to go in with a soft matte brown shade. I also love this shimmer shade on the top of my lid. The soft brown shade is called Role Model, and then that shimmery shade is called Got This. For mascara, I go back to Merit and I use their Perfect Black mascara. This is so good, especially at the end of the night when you want your mascara just to fall off. This is so easy to take off, which is why I continue to use it again and again. For my lip color, I use this gorgeous color balm from Aveda. I get my hair done at Aveda, and while I was waiting one day, I looked through their makeup and I saw this beautiful pink lip balm. Absolutely love it. It's super hydrating on the lips, never feels dry, and the color is gorgeous. I use the color Camellia Rose, and it is such a great find. Here's my finished makeup look. Everything I used today is going to be linked down below in that description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I post weekly fashion try-ons and I mix in a little bit of home decor and beauty finds as well.